Hello, in this lecture you will learn how to use Picker, and Picker basically picks one item from a drop-down list. Okay, so it's a very useful element, and we will basically just take a look at how you can find the indexes and how you can find the actual values of the selected item. So to begin, you need to create a Picker element, so we will delete the defaults. Just like that, we will delete them and we will drop it from the toolbox. And this is our picker, very simple. Just drag it and drop it. And first of all, you want to create a title. Okay, you want to create a title and we'll call it pick item. Okay, pick item. And then once the item is picked, that will be replaced. Okay, so that's really all we need to have, and we need to kind of expand it and put some items in. Okay, picker items, we can do that right away. And then we need to close the picker. Okay, just like that. And in the picker items, that is where you put your actual items. Okay, so we will be doing strings. Most of the time you will be doing obviously string items. So you will have some text in it. So let's call it item 1, and let's copy. Let's create 4 different items. Just like that, you copy them and you create a few more, as many as you need, of course. Okay, so we have 4 items, and now we need to somehow get them into the code. So let's create a little button. Okay, button. Let's add some text in. Let's call it show item, or rather show selected item. Let's do it right. Show selected item, just like that. And then let's create a little event. Event clicked as usual. That's it. We have our event, and we still need the name for the picker. So let's do X name. Just like any other element, you declare the name like that. Let's call it P1. Just like that. Very simple and easy to remember name. No typos will be made. Okay. So we have our button click. And let's get our item. So let's do display. Just like that. Display alert. Okay. TST, the title doesn't matter. And this is where we are going to choose. So let's do P1, and then let's do, and first of all, as you can see, you have items, and with this, you would get the list. Okay, you would get the list of all the items that are available, all the choices that are available, not the selected item, but all the choices that would be available for the user. Okay. So what we need first is we need selected item. You will see how easy that is to do.